Replacing your home's doors is an excellent way to enhance its beauty, security, and energy efficiency. However, for Kendall homeowners, the way you approach the installation process is just as important as choosing the right door. While DIY projects may seem tempting, professional door installation offers several significant advantages that save time, money, and stress. Here's why hiring a professional for your door installation is the smartest choice for your Kendall home. Expertise and precision. Professional door installers have the skills, knowledge, and tools to ensure a flawless installation. Doors are more complex than they appear. If they're not properly aligned, even a minor miscalculation can lead to drafts, difficulty opening and closing, and security vulnerabilities. Professionals understand the nuances of installation, from taking accurate measurements to securely fitting the frame and hardware. They know how to address issues like uneven floors, shifting walls, or damaged door frames, ensuring your new door functions perfectly and looks beautiful from day one. Saves you time and effort. Installing a door may seem like a simple DIY project, but it can quickly become time-consuming and frustrating if you lack the right tools and experience. Between removing the old door, preparing the opening, and ensuring a proper fit, the process can take much longer than expected. By hiring professionals, you save yourself the stress of troubleshooting unexpected issues or making multiple trips to the hardware store. A professional installation team can complete the job efficiently, allowing you to enjoy your new door without the hassle of a lengthy DIY project. Proper tools and materials. Professional installers come equipped with specialized tools and materials to get the job done right. From leveling tools and sealants to heavy-duty hardware, professionals have everything needed to ensure a secure and durable installation. For Kendall homeowners, this is particularly important because local weather conditions, including heat, humidity, and occasional storms, can affect door performance. Professionals use the right products to seal and weatherproof your doors, preventing drafts, moisture intrusion, and long-term damage. Improved energy efficiency. The energy efficiency is a top priority for homeowners in Kendall, where high temperatures can drive up cooling costs. A poorly installed door can result in air leaks, which force your HVAC system to work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. Professional installation ensures that your door is properly sealed and insulated, eliminating drafts and improving energy efficiency. This not only keeps your home cooler in the summer but also lowers your energy bills. Over time, the savings from reduced energy usage can offset the cost of professional installation. Enhanced security. Your doors are one of your home's main security features, and a poorly installed door can compromise your family's safety. Loose frames, weak hinges, or improperly installed locks can create vulnerabilities that intruders may exploit. Professional installers ensure that your door is securely fitted, with reinforced frames, sturdy hardware, and reliable locks. If you're upgrading to doors with advanced security features, such as smart locks or multi-point locking systems, a professional will ensure they are installed and functioning correctly. Warranty protection. Many door manufacturers offer warranties that guarantee the performance of their products. However, these warranties often require professional installation to remain valid. If you choose to install a door yourself and something goes wrong, you could void the warranty and lose valuable coverage. By hiring professionals, you ensure that your warranty remains intact. If any issues arise due to manufacturing defects or installation problems, you'll be covered, giving you peace of mind and added protection. Long-lasting result. Professional installation doesn't just ensure that your door looks good, it also guarantees long-lasting performance. A door that's properly installed will be less prone to warping, sticking, or misalignment over time, saving you from costly repairs or replacements in the future. For Kendall homeowners, where the climate can be tough on doors, this durability is especially important. A professionally installed door will stand up to the elements, providing years of beauty, security, and efficiency. Increased home value. New doors are a valuable upgrade that enhances your home's curb appeal and functionality. When professionally installed, they add even more value by ensuring optimal performance and longevity. Prospective buyers appreciate the assurance that the door has been properly fitted and sealed, making your home more attractive in the competitive Kendall real estate market. Invest in professional door installation for peace of mind. For Kendall homeowners, professional door installation is a smart investment that delivers lasting benefits. From expert precision and energy efficiency to enhanced security and warranty protection, professionals ensure your new door is installed to the highest standards. If you're ready to upgrade your home with a new door, don't leave the installation to chance. Trust the expertise of professional installers to provide a seamless, stress-free experience that adds beauty, value, and comfort to your Kendall home. With professional door installation, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing your home is protected, efficient, and looking its best for years to come.